For a limited time, from April 29th through May 3rd, you can download powerful, problem-solving books for free in the Kindle Store. This special promotion is sponsored by EV Publications, and every book is also available in audiobook format and included in Kindle Unlimited, so you can read or listen anytime, anywhere. Let's start with Creating a Lump Sum Retirement. This book helps solve one of the biggest problems retirees face: how to build a financial cushion without stress. It walks you through practical strategies to grow your money over time so you can retire with confidence and security instead of uncertainty. Now, How vidIQ Increased My YouTube Views. This is a new release, so you have a chance to be one of the first readers and leave a review. If you're struggling to get views on YouTube, this book breaks down exactly how to use vidIQ tools and strategies to grow your channel faster, improve your rankings, and increase your visibility. And finally, Love's Frame of Mind. How one woman resolves her problem of finding love. This book tackles the emotional and mental blocks that often stand in the way of meaningful relationships. It offers a fresh perspective on self-awareness and personal growth to help you attract the kind of love you truly deserve. All of these books are free for a limited time only, April 29th through May 3rd. Don't miss your chance to download them, read them, listen to the audiobooks, and take advantage of Kindle Unlimited access. Download your free copies today.